Gobbly gobbly gaw, a gobbly gobbly goo, a gobbly gobbly gaw, a gobbly gobbly goo.
What's up, guys? Today, since we're celebrating the first day of spring, we've decided to make
Sorry. Today we're making spring waffles. And actually, that day was on March 20th on a Thursday.
We knew that. And that sounds yummy. As you can see, my room is getting better from last time.
Oops, I'm so sorry, Owlet. Are you okay?
We don't talk about that. Alright, Spy Guy. What do we do first?
So first, we put in the waffle batter. Now we wait.
Spider Guy.
Yeah?
I don't want to freak you out or anything, but your hand is on fire.
Don't be ridiculous, Owlet. Oh my god, my hand's on fire.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Get the fire extinguisher, Owlet, please!
I'm on it. Here, Burger Cat. Oops. I did not mean to do that.
There you go. Spring waffles. Son of a b-
Why am I reading a book? I haven't read a book once in my life.